Apex Dual Pump. In current times, our planet Earth faces great scarcity of natural resources like water and energy. Today, energy conservation is a global phenomenon for a greener planet. To achieve this end, innovation is the only key to save energy both in domestic arena and more specifically in industry. Today, Apex takes its successful first step in bringing out a centrifugal dual pump which is prevalently used across industries. To understand the benefits of innovation in Apex Dual Pump, let us first see the working of the conventional centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pumps are the most preferred pumping devices in the hydraulic world. At the heart of the system lies the impeller. It has got a series of curved vanes fitted inside shroud plates. The impeller is always immersed in water. When the impeller is made to rotate with the help of a motor shaft which rotates at a high speed of 2800 rpm revolutions per minute, it makes the fluid surrounding the impeller to gain both pressure and velocity. Due to this high speed of rotation and by the design of the impellers, a high vacuum gets created. Due to this high vacuum, water gets sucked from the source, for example, borewell or underground sump, and enters the pump casing through the eye of the impeller. This imparts centrifugal force to water, and the water moves radially out at a high pressure due to the kinetic energy getting transferred to the liquid, and it is discharged through the delivery port at a high pressure. At the suction side, water gets displaced, and hence a negative pressure is created at the eye of the impeller, and thus fresh stream of water is drawn into the system. This is a continuous process cycle. The rotation of the impeller at high speed inside the volute casing draws the water through the suction port and discharges through the delivery port at high pressure. The casing is designed to ensure continuous discharge of water at a high pressure. Since water pressure inside the casing is huge, a mechanical sealing arrangement is imperative to prevent water entry into the motor, to safeguard the winding of the motor. Bearings are provided at both sides of the motor on the shaft to ensure smooth rotation. The performance metrics of the centrifugal pump are measured as follows. The height to which the water shall be pumped is called the head, which includes the suction length and is expressed in meters. The discharge quantity known as flow is indicated in LPS, that is, liters per second. The discharge quantity and the head are inversely proportional. Now let us see how Apex Dual Pump is unique from conventional pumps. Apex Dual Pump comprises of two suction ports where suction can be taken from two different nearby locations. The two delivery ports ensure simultaneous discharge of similar discharge quantities. Both the discharges either can be combined into a single delivery or can be had at two different locations. Apex Dual Pump contains two impeller housings, which practically means two pumps driven by a single motor. Since Apex Dual Pump houses pumps at both the ends, two cooling fans, one big and one small, have been fitted inside the motor to cool the motor internally. The energy drawn by the motor of Apex Dual Pump is almost same as that of a motor of a conventional single-sided pump of the same capacity. Saving on both energy and time is proved by a 30% increase in the quantity of water discharged. Moreover, the footprint required by Apex Dual Pump is less than the footprint required for two conventional pumps. A dedicated software provides proof of claims on the performance of Apex Dual Pump. The following data are captured through this computerized pump testing equipment. Voltage in volts, current in amps, energy in kWh, that is kilowatt hour, speed in RPM, that is revolutions per minute, flow in LPS, that is liters per second, and head in meters, which is inclusive of both suction and discharge piping. Apart from the above parameters, a separate temperature measuring system is also provided to monitor the heat, that is, temperature in degrees Celsius generated by the motor during its continuous operation. The above innovation has been applied for patent, which is pending examination at PCT level.